Alright, there's my busted bracket off my garage door. Took me a while to learn how to come up with a plan to get this thing replaced and repaired. You can see one of the bolts still in there with a little piece of metal hanging off of it. That's the metal from this door panel. Just sort of came out of here. I don't know how long this thing's been in here, maybe 20 years, maybe less. But anyway, I'm going to put some right angle right in there. I'll cut some off, screw it in, and then attach this arm. I'll get rid of this bracket, attach this arm to that right angle. Okay. Gotta start off with this blade. I just swapped it out. This one will cut metal. This one here, just took it out of there. That's my old wood blade. There's my right angle. I think I'm going to need about that much. Put a little line there. So made a little template of it so that I could be sure of the right positions, which holes would line up with the holes that are sort of pre-holes already cut into the back of the door. Starting to get there. Okay, there's the new bracket. Alright, let's see how this is going to turn out. Okay, got it lined up with a hole right there. Another one right there. Here's the third one. This is going to work out. So there we go. New bracket. You can see that new rail that I cut off. Screwed it on, almost in the same position. I'm going to have to make a little adjustment because it's off just a little bit when the door closes down. But otherwise, there we go. Old brackets off, new brackets on, maybe $7 for the piece of metal, and $3 for the saw blade. Mission accomplished. One honey-do list item down. Let's check it out. And there's the adjustments. It's up off the ground maybe about ½ inch or so. I have to make a little adjustment with that trolley to make sure it comes down the right spot. That's how you do it.